Bonjour, bienvenue à What's on the Bench. I'm French now.
Oh, it's single as well. That's fine. It's on student. Nitro.
Who wants to go first? Who wants to do it?
I mean, I've got to go pee in a bit, so I can go first if you want to, because
Isaac. Yeah, talk me through your lovely green
Yeah, so I'm going to talk you through my green mean machine here.
Yes.
What we have here is a semi-acoustic Les Paul style with a slotted headstock.
Very
And I've done this. Yeah, I mean, because the thing is, I like fancy guitars that have been ran through, very much. So fancy guitars that have seen some use, with clear signs of usage. What I'm currently doing is I'm waiting for Maps to to wrap up this whole What's on the Bench.
Oh, so
So
we
he
can get it
take
sprayed.
in and spray.
So we've got to do this, and then some spraying. Yeah.
And also I've got some prepared some wiring here. Done what I can do now before it all goes into the guitar.
Lovely, lovely. So we're gonna do matte everywhere and then gloss the tops. Yeah.
Yeah. So front gloss.
Front gloss and back and sides.
Yeah. Exactly.
Satin matte.
Also,
finish.
Maps.
Yes.
Speaking of,
What else do I need to do?
I just thought I haven't drilled. Yeah, maybe I can do that later. I don't know. I haven't actually drilled holes for the pickup rings.
Okay.
Maybe I should do that now. Right? Should I wait? Should I?
I'd probably do it before glossing, just in case when you drill them afterwards it cracks.
Yeah, you're right.
It's a little bit safer to do it.
So I'm not really done yet. I'm just gonna have to. I was lying to you. I'm so sorry about that. I'm gonna have to drill holes
For them. Yeah.
for these, and then
And then we spray.
we spray. Matt sprays.
That's fine. That's fine. I'll let you drill some holes.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much.
All right.
Thank you, gentlemen.
Alan. Hello.
Hello.
You're here forever, as it says. Talk me through what you've been working on whilst you've been here.
Decided I'm going to have every time I come, I'd
Yeah.
like to up the ANC.
Yeah.
So I've made plenty of Tellys and Strat type guitars.
Yep.
So we thought we'd go for a carve top.
Go for a Les Paul.
Let's for a Les Paul.
Very nice.
This is our 2-week attempt at making a Les Paul.
You gonna stain it? Are we gonna paint it for you like these?
The ones, that is yet to be decided. I want it to look more like an original. That's why I've gone for P90s.
Okay.
So
I'll
we shall decide at a later date.
Okay, fair enough.
On the
fair
finish.
enough.
We have another week to go, so it's,
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, so it might be decided next week.
we're actually planning our next year visit.
Very nice.
So it's so even if it doesn't get painted this week or next week, then we pick it up.
Might leave it with me.
Leave it with you.
Yeah, cool. We can talk about the this one and that one.
Yes, that one.
Because these were guitars you built.
I built bodies at home. Built bodies at home.
And then I finished.
You finished them all off.
that one and that one for you.
Yeah, so I've got. A left-handed was a challenge more than anything.
Remembering which way around to do things.
Yes.
Yeah. Very nice.
And then we went for
A lefty HSS Strat, and then
a split. I had to split it as well.
Split the humbucker.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then
A black Strat. Very nice. Cool. Has this got the cool backplate?
it's got the cool backplate.
Yeah. Very, very nice. So what's left to do on this one? Just
put the nut on and just put it, assemble it and set it up.
very nice.
And then we have another one
Another one. Yeah.
cool. Which is one I've been working on in work.
Yep.
It's my dinner time.
Your dinner time project.
My dinner time project.
Very nice.
So
So it's got like the
Yeah, well, the neck was bought by accident.
Okay. By accident.
By accident.
Yeah.
It's when I was trying to purchase a left-handed neck.
Right. Okay.
eBay and alcohol
Sometimes they mix really well, and sometimes they don't.
just doesn't
Yeah.
happen.
Of course, I know. That's a hardtail.
That's a hardtail.
That's a hardtail, and that's a Wilkinson trem on that one. And then this is just going to be standard.
That's going to be standard Tunnock.
Yeah. Standard Les Paul controls.
I'm not going anything fancy like I did on my first attempts because
Yeah.
it took us too long to do the wiring.
Wiring, yeah. Yeah, this should be
And
fairly
this has got
simple.
P90s in it.
Yeah.
So straightforward.
Yeah, yeah. No splitting.
No splitting, no.
Exactly.
So it's got to be sanded up. Everything fits together.
Very nice.
It does fit together.
Nice and tight.
It is.
Really tight. There we go. That's what you want. Nice. Cool.
That will be.
Well, I'm looking forward to seeing it next week when it's all glued together and
We'll be
looking
deciding how we're
nice.
going to finish it.
And then we can decide on how you want it to look afterwards. Yeah.
In the process of which has got to be massaged in around
Yeah.
the heel there
Yeah.
and just finished off at the top.
Yeah. I like that you can hang it up because normally
that's
headless
the
you
i-
can't hang them up.
Yeah, it was a telly neck at one time, and we just cut the.
Just cut around it. Yeah.
Yeah,
Cool. Have you got all your hardware and stuff?
I haven't got the pickups yet because I haven't decided on what we're going to have. So that will go.
That sits up there.
It sits up there that way. The way round. No, it isn't. It's just that way.
It is that
so
way,
it goes that way there. And then that will go.
Sits down there.
Sits down there.
You'll probably have to route.
Yeah, this is what we was discussing. It'll only be about a mil or two,
Yeah.
but it was just going to sit slightly because we've got that almost flush
Yeah.
on the body, so we just sort of like put that in, and then we just got to decide where we're going to have the jack socket.
Yeah. Well, so when I do mine, I put the jack socket. I cut a little notch out of here and put it in.
Yeah.
Here. So, because then you can sit with it in this one and sit with it in this one as well. Yeah, you have some options.
Yeah. This gets done when we get bored.
Fair enough. Next year's project:
Or one of next year's projects.
walnut neck, purple heart fretboards, flame maple, sapele, mahogany. A skull. Is that a pot?
No, it's a knob.
Yeah. That's amazing.
So that will be fretless
Fretless. Yep.
Strat.
Fretless Strat. Yeah.
Fretless Strat
With a top.
with an insert. No,
Okay.
an insert.
Or is that
So
like
where
a
would-
scratch plate?
Yeah, with a scratch plate, but insert it.
Yeah. What, route it in?
Yeah, so it's
Drop
flush.
it in. Very nice.
Yeah.
With a walnut neck as well.
Yeah.
Cool.
Then we'll have some form of fancy inlay
So if you make it, you know, turn it that way,
in silver and abalone.
put it like that. Thing,
Well,
it goes like that. For
all by hand.
anyways,
Gonna have to be.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And it's when the beloved actually has another go. She can have a go building hers.
Yeah.
That's right.
You'll be fine. You'll be fine. Cool. Well, I'll leave you to it.
Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you very much. Anders,
Yes.
talk me through your build. Also, welcome to What's on the Bench.
Welcome.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I'm doing quite a. I've come in trying to do something basic, thinking then I can overcomplicate it later, sort of thing, which is what I'm trying to do as much as I can. But it's still going. It's still just a Strat. I'm going for a P90 in the bridge pickup, which is slowly being cut out. This is my template for my pick guard.
Custom pick guard.
And then I've got 2 single coils coming from Monty's, which I'm excited about. And yeah, that's really it.
These are all like calves, carve.
Yeah, they're coming away as cutaways, and that's actually just I'm gonna round it out around this section a bit more.
Okay.
And then yeah, cut away a bit, cut away, and then I'll probably do a load of sort of trimming and ergonomic stuff around the sides. I'll try and make it my own as much as I can.
Exactly. So this is going to be more like a
Silver Sky. Yeah, I'm a sucker for
Yeah, well, no, it's like yeah, I mean, yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, it's like a guilty pleasure, isn't it?
It's only guilty if you feel guilt.
No, but it's also like I find the Silver Skies great playing. Like I love to play them, and so that's why I'm basing a lot of this build off of that, just because constantly going back to pick it up.
Cool.
So yeah.
25-inch scale.
Yes.
As well. Is a Silver Sky 25 or is it 25 and a half? I can never remember.
Because
PRS is 25.
This guitar is an amalgamation of loads of different Strats that I've tried.
Why?
So there's also I'm also basing this off of Atkins the 63, I believe, like some of the things. So it's all like I can't remember where the scale link came from, but it would be one of them.
Well, 25 is a standard PRS.
So it could well be then. And that's where
I feel like the Silver Sky is 25 and a half. Someone will let me know in the comments, I'm sure. I'll let you get on with filing
away at my pickguard template. But yeah, thank you very much.
Might get you something to speed up.
Cheers.
So this is Carl. And you're on a 5-day course?
5-day.
Awesome. And talk me through the tastiest snack guitar ever. Let's go.
So Les Paul Jr. with a custom top put together at home, and yeah, with James's permission, he's let us stick this into the guitar as part of the project.
I mean, I love caramel bars, but why caramel? Why not any other chocolate biscuity bars?
Somebody broke out a massive box of them at work,
Right.
and inspired by a statue in Dundee which is covered in Tunnock's tea cake wrappers, I thought we could do a caramel themed guitar with the empty wrappers that were left behind. So I didn't eat all of these.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So the next one would be the tea cake.
Could be tea cake. Could be iron brew, could be tartan, the possibilities
Just
of end.
all the Scottish, all the best Scottish snacks. Yeah, I love all Tunnock stuff. Great. I mean, I'm not talking about guitars. I'm just talking about just tea cakes, just caramel and iron brew.
What goes well with a cup of tea.
Fantastic.
So some leftover plywood that came with another wood delivery back home. PVA'd the wrappers down to the plywood.
Yep.
And then built a little swimming pool around the plywood and poured some epoxy on.
Nice.
And, a little bit. Followed a few YouTube guides. A little bit of heat to try and get the bubbles out.
Yep.
And apart from a couple of bits that delaminated and we glued back up as part of this build, it's behaved quite well.
Very, very different to anything we've really had before, but yeah. So what's been your favourite part of the
favourite part? Lots. I came here to learn, so the guitar is a bit of a a byproduct, if you like. So I've come to learn the skills, hence the interesting top.
Yes.
Neck was the bit I've never done before.
Yep.
Neck and the wiring. So I've got a body blank at home, so some of that was familiar. I cut myself at home, some of that was familiar. The neck, carving the neck.
Yeah.
I think that's everybody's big highlight the first time they do a guitar.
Yeah, absolutely.
So such a big deal. So carving the neck, lovely happy accident here with the controls, which sort of landed quite nicely, purely by chance. So when you have a nice little bit of luck like that, that's always a bonus as well.
Yeah. So just volume tone, 3-way.
Yep.
Very nice.
And then spending the time down here, meeting everybody, and working with Dom and James. It's been fantastic. Really,
Awesome.
Really good.
Lovely, black mother of pearl dots as well. Yeah.
Yep.
Cool. Locking tuners. Yeah, it looks.
First guitar I've had with locking tuners. I had to ask Cody how to.
Will you ever go back to a non-locking now? I
don't think so. I don't think so. They're pretty slick, aren't they?
Yeah, just lock it, tune it, done. No, shut up, Sam. Go away. What's left to do? Just
yes. Final setup. So setting the nut slot depths at the moment. Sort out the pickups, and E minors all the way back to Scotland tonight. Hopefully.
You're driving.
Yeah.
Tonight.
Heading back up tonight. Yeah.
That's a bit of a slog.
It's probably stopped.
I was going to say, a little bit of a.
I'll probably stop.
Yeah. Cool. Well, thanks for having a chat with me.
Super. No, thank you, Matt. Awesome.
Cool. Cody.
What's going on?
How's it going, man?
Good. Wrapping up my 6 weeks of time here.
Last day today.
Last day. Very last day.
Damn.
Fine tuning, finishing up what I can on this before breaking it down and taking it back across the pond.
Yeah, it looks great. What tuning were you going for the 7-string?
Oh, this is standard.
Standard.
Yeah,
Nice.
B standard. I figured part of the thing here is I have this one in D standard, and then this is B standard. So technically, I've got 3 tunings covered in 2 guitars, right? I can play B, E, and D.
Yeah.
So I also have never owned a 7-string, and I thought maybe it was time. Why not? You know, let's make it more complicated.
Yeah.
Just chug around on this one. I can forget the rest of them.
Yeah. And that's kind of how I do a 7-string. It's mainly these 3.
Perfect. That's where the money is.
So that's where the money. Well, I don't know about that's where the money is.
Yeah.
That's where the good sounds are for me, anyway.
The nice chunky low bits.
Yeah. Absolutely, yeah. And last time I saw this, it wasn't red, and it definitely wasn't together. So
This is true. It started with a green, and then we weren't quite pleased with that, and then because it was kind of a metallic green, it just wasn't what I was going for. So we went straight Regal red, and now it looks like a medieval banner or something.
yeah, it does. It's just a flash coat over the top of the red, yeah.
I think we did a little bit of pigment, a little bit of black pigment in the first flash coat. This came out a little bit maybe too light, maybe a little bit too like Fiesta red on the first one.
Yeah, a bit too bright.
Yeah, so the first flash coat had a little bit of black pigment, and then the second flash coat was just clear. I was originally going to make one of these a set neck, and then the more I thought about it, the more I thought it'd be easier to get around if I just put it in my luggage. So they're both bolt-ons. And to be honest, it also means that when you make mistakes, like I did earlier with my neck, if you really have to, you can scrap it and start again.
That is the downfall of through necks and set necks.
Yeah.
Is once they're in, you make a mistake.
Well, as guitars this is number 2 and number 3 of my lifetime builds. So
Cool.
I'm pleased with it, but I think the bolt-on neck is the correct maneuver, just in case I want to tweak it, make a mistake, gouge the fretboard, make this too thin for a 3rd, 4th time, all sorts of fun things.
So what's next?
I think I want to refine these designs a little bit. I've been playing around with it, seeing if the belly carve and the neck access is good enough. I think maybe I've set this in a little too deep, so I might go a little bit deeper on my cutaway.
Yeah.
On the next one, on the back of this, my belly carve. Maybe I'll go a little further on that when you're sitting down this horn. It makes a
Digs
little
in.
strange contact. So just little ideas that I think I could improve upon. So when I get home and finally get a workable shop going, I can start from a good place as opposed to starting from nothing, which is a little bit more
Daunting. For sure, yeah.
I bit off what I consider to be a fair amount on this build, although, I still have things to do. Maybe next one I'll try neck binding, or maybe I will do a set neck in my future, or a multi-scale, or
8-string.
yeah, add another string.
Add another string. 8-string, multi-scale, set neck.
Double neck. Hey man, thanks a lot. I appreciate all you guys' help. I had a great time.
Awesome. Glad.
Later on.
Oui, baguette.
Seen a video of me doing absolutely nothing.
Oh,